Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I hope that you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I'm also fine. Welcome to an EVS Home School. This is Mr. Robiul Islam, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies of National Ideal University School, morning shift. Today I'm going to take an Islamic Studies class for class nursery, and our today's topic is Tanween with double J from Alif to Ra. And my dear students, today is our lecture number 7 and SW number 7. Inshallah, my dear students, today we will learn 10 Arabic alphabet with Tanween from Alif to Ra. So my dear students, let's start. My dear students, here I have written 10 Arabic alphabet. Now we will learn 10 Arabic alphabet with J, with double J, with Tanween. My dear students, we have already finished from Alif to Ya with double Jabar, Tanween with double Jabar. Now today we will learn Arabic alphabet with Tanween with double J from Alif to Ra. And my dear students, you know that double Jabar, double J and double Pesh are called Tanween. My dear students, we have already finished Tanween with double Jabar. Today we will learn Tanween with double J from Alif to Ra. And my dear students, you know that double J always take places under the harf. So my dear students, let's start. My dear students, now I am giving the double J under the harf Alif Dui Zer in. Now I am giving double J under the Ba Dui Zer bin. Then my dear student, this one is Ta. I am giving double J under the Ta Dui Zer tin. Then you know that this one is Sa Dui Zer thin. Sa Dui Zer thin. And you know that this one is Jim. I am giving double J under the Jim. Then Jim Dui J Jin. Now this one is Ha. I am giving double J under the Ha, and you have to pronounce this one Ha Dui J Hin. Then this one is Kha, not Kha. This one is Kha. Now I am giving double J under the Kha, and you have to pronounce this one Kha Dui J Hin. Kha Dui J Hin. Now this one is Dal. I'm giving double J under the Dal. Then you have to pronounce this one Dal Dui J Din. Dal Dui J Din. Okay, now I'm giving this one is Dal. I'm giving double J under the Dal, and you have to pronounce this one Dal Dui J Din. Dal Dui J Din. And my dear students, last one for today, Ra. I'm giving double J under the Ra. You have to pronounce this one Ra Dui J Rin. Ra Dui J Rin, not Ra. You have to pronounce this one Ra Dui J Rin. Okay, my dear students. Now I'm repeating again, and everyone read with me. Alif Dui J In, Ba Dui J Bin, Ta Dui J Tin, Sa Dui J Thin. You have to pronounce this one very softly. Sa Dui J Thin. Then Jim Dui J Jin. Jim Dui J Jin. This one is Ha Dui J Hin. Ha Dui J Hin. Kha Dui J Hin. Kha Dui J Hin. Dal Dui J Din. Dal Dui J Din. Dal Dui J Din. Dal Dui J Din. My dear students, Sa and Dal, you have to pronounce this one very softly. Now Ra Dui J Rin. Ra Dui J Rin. Alhamdulillah, my dear students, today we have learned 10 Arabic alphabet with Tanween. That means Tanween with double J. So my dear students, I hope that you have understood our today's topic very clearly. And my dear students, look at the board again. Today is our SW number 7, and you will make SW at your home from Alif to Ra. That means Alif Dui Zer in, from Alif Dui Zer in to Ra Dui Zer Rin. at your home you will make SW. So my dear students, that's all for today, inshallah. See you again very soon. Till then, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.